Hello and welcome to V Express Sport, and this is the IPL special where we're going to be talking about all the teams involved in the team. And today we're going to be talking about one of the most decorated teams, if I have to say, the Kolkata Knight Riders. Now, as we all know, Kolkata Knight Riders have had some very big moments. 2012, Manvendra Bisla and Jack Callis with a brilliant partnership against the Chennai Super Kings, helping them to win the title. 2 years later, Piyush Chawla out of nowhere, hitting Mr. Johnson for a six and letting helping KKR win another title, which was very unexpected. And if we're talking about KKR, how can we not talk about the very first game of the IPL, where out of nowhere a new league was starting against the RCB. We had no idea what was going to happen, and out of nowhere comes Brendan McCullum with that brilliant innings of 158. And as we know now, Brendan McCullum is coach of the Kolkata Knight Riders. So to talk about them, today we have two very enthusiastic and two very passionate Kolkata Knight Riders fans. One, Rohit Gulati, and the other, the very special, Abdul Kumar Maurya. So guys, टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करते हुए सीधा जाते हैं. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द टीम कॉम्पोजिशन. काफी चेंजेस हुए हैं आफ्टर गौतम गंभीर हैज लेफ्ट. दिनेश कार्तिक कैप्टन. स्पेकुलेशंस थे कि ऑयन मॉर्गन मे बी कैप्टन हो सकते, बट दे हैव kept their faith in PK. Let's talk about the overseas. Okay, they have spent big on Pat Cummins at the auction, the most expensive buy. They have got the likes of Chris Green and Tom Banton as well. So, Rohan, if I have to start with you, and if I look at that team and look at the buys their coaches have made, who do you think are the four probables? That I'm gonna stick with these four for the majority of my campaign as my first four choice in the foreigners.
I think first four is very clear. It has to be Sunil Narayan, Andre Russell, Pat Cummins, and Eoin Morgan. I think these will be the four for the majority of the season because इनको trust किए and these are experienced players and I think Pat Cummins का फायदा क्या रहेगा. आबू धाबी की pitches पे they are playing the 7 matches. वो उनका home ground है and उस pitch पे bounce मिलता है. तो बाउंस मिला और पैट कमिंस किसी भी पिच पे बाउंस ले सकता है और अगर जिस पिच पे बाउंस मिल रहा है उस पिच पे तो पैट कमिंस पता नहीं क्या कर सकता है. तो आई थिंक वो एक एडवांटेज रहेगा. मॉर्गन आई थिंक वही है, मिडिल ऑर्डर को और स्टेबलाइज करता है. आंड्रे रसेल, सिर्फ आंड्रे रसेल पे मतलब रिलायबल नहीं होगी ये टीम इस बार. ऑयन मॉर्गन और नीचे डीके फिनिश करेंगे. तो आई थिंक बढ़िया बैलेंस है और इन चार कॉर्नर प्लेयर से मजा आ जाएगा टीम में. बाकी बात मैं बाद में करूँगा, आप आगे बढ़ा सकते हैं.
So Atul, do you agree with the four foreign options, or do you think someone like a Tom Banton should be given a start at the top of the order, and maybe they can play Narayan or someone else? What him?
See, the thing is, Morgan को चॉइस ऊपर रखेंगे वो लोग क्योंकि पहली बात तो सबसे बड़ा शौक था कि उन्होंने क्रिस लिन को नहीं लिया इस साल. ठीक है, तो who will they open with? Basically Gill होगा and even Sunil Narayan, but I think they'll stick with Morgan and not Banton. क्योंकि Morgan is the more reliable choice in the, I guess, UAE situation. And other than that, as Rohan mentioned, कि Pat Cummins है, Sunil Narayan, Andre Russell बहुत common choices हैं क्योंकि वही हैं सबसे ज़्यादा international experience के साथ and playing experience भी है काफ़ी अच्छा T20 league में. But I was really hoping कि Chris Green को वो लोग chance दें. Chris Green has been phenomenal in the BBL as well as CPL. But as Rohan mentioned, the top four are pretty obvious for KKR this season.
Okay. So this was about the overseas option. Now let's talk about the Indian players. You have to play 7 of them, and the captain has to be played. But apart from him, do you think they're going to be making a lot of shuffling? If I talk about top 4 Indian players, so Atul, what do you think they're going to be shuffling here and there, giving more players chances? Or are they going to be looking, four of these that I think about are going to be there for all the matches?
See, first of all, I guess the opening pair with Sunil Narayan will be Shubman Gill. That's the obvious choice to go with at this point of time because he can play both attacking and as defensive when needed. Other than that, इनका जो middle order has been a problem for KKR for a long time. So what they can try is get Rahul Tripathi in and can get him around Eoin Morgan and Andre Russell to stabilize the middle order. And other than that, सबसे बड़ा prospect जो इनके पास 2 साल से है but he hasn't been playing, Kamlesh Nagarkoti. I'm really excited to see Kamlesh Nagarkoti this time round, and hoping that he forms a formidable partnership with Pat Cummins and who else but Kuldeep Yadav, because again UAE supports spinners, so Kuldeep will be the trump card for them and I think this is the thing that these will be the 4 Indian players that they should go with. But other than that, they have the choice of Prasidh Krishnan and even Sandeep Warrior, so they will be shuffling. That's what KKR has been doing for a long time now. They for the first 4 to 5 matches they try their players who are in the better form and everything, and then they, for the later part, they decide how they'll be sticking with the team.
Now, Rohan, Atul made an interesting point about Kamlesh Nagarkoti, who hasn't featured for the past 2 seasons and was a very exciting purchase when he was made. But do you think they'll maybe prefer someone like a Shivam Mavi, who has been playing for them in the past couple of seasons, over Kamlesh Nagarkoti?
Yeah, like firstly depends कि वो लोग अभी नेट्स में कैसा परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज उनका नेट्स में उनका परफॉर्मेंस आई थिंक ऑब्वियसली एनालाइज किया जा रहा होगा, उसके बेसिस पे वो फर्स्ट चॉइस क्या होगा वो उसके बेसिस पर होगा. पर आगे जाके आई थिंक इट विल बी रोटेटेड, बिकॉज शिवम मावी का हमने देखा थोड़ा टाइम अच्छा चल रहा था, बट फिर थोड़ा सा वो रन्स कंसीड करने लगे थे डेथ में, थोड़ा स्ट्रगल किए डेथ में. बट अदरवाइज दोनों शिवम मावी और कमलेश नागरकोटी दोनों बहुत एक्साइटिंग प्रोस्पेक्ट है. बट ऑब्वियसली आई थिंक फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस वुड बी प्रसिद्ध कृष्णा, बिकॉज आई थिंक ही इज समवन हु हैज प्रूवन हिमसेल्फ इन द केकेआर कलर्स, एंड इनके पास इंडियन फास्ट बॉलिंग में एक्सपीरियंस के नाम पे कुछ भी नहीं है. तो प्रसिद्ध कृष्णा विल बी द फर्स्ट चॉइस, एंड अगर सेकंड इंडियन पेसर खिलाना होगा तो इट विल बी कमलेश नागरकोटी और शिवम मावी or even Sandeep Warrior sometime, but I think he'll be the third. So depends.
As Rohan mentioned, the one advantage that Mavi has over Nagarkoti is that Mavi can bat. Like in crucial situations, Mavi is a player whom you can rely on. If you talk about comparing Nagarkoti and Mavi, so Mavi is a better batsman compared to Nagarkoti in that aspect.
Now we have seen KKR has given youth a chance. Prasidh Krishna has come through and done really well. If I look at it this season, they have many stars, but there is always someone breaking through the ranks and making an impact on the team. Atul, do you think what is the one player that you'll be watching out for, that this is the player that might do really good?
If see youth, I'm not very sure whom to choose, but Sidhesh Lad, they got him from Mumbai Indians.
Yeah,
he's a really good prospect for the team, and if he gets a chance to play top of the order, he can show what he can do. And but to be really honest, I'm looking forward to see Eoin Morgan run the route in UAE, because again you do get flatter pitches and Morgan can be rampant in those conditions. But for the youngsters, I guess Sidhesh Lad will be a good option for KKR if they give him a chance up the order.
Okay. Rohan, like Atul said, Eoin Morgan and Sidhesh Lad are picks that he'll be really watching out for. Same picks for you, or do you have any other players in mind that you're looking out for?
I'm looking forward for the youngster Dinesh Karthik, because I think
Brilliant.
Because, honestly, I think when he is desperate to prove himself, because he's still eyeing that spot in that Indian team. Next year T20 World Cup, if Dinesh Karthik has a good IPL, selectors might again be attracted to go and have a look at him. I think Dinesh Karthik, obviously Shubman Gill without a doubt, सब लोग की नजर रहेगी शुभमन गिल पर. I'm also excited about Nitish Rana, because I think number 3 पे KKR का फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस माइट बी नीतीश राणा, बिकॉज उन्होंने नंबर 3 पे अच्छा परफॉर्म किया है. फर्स्ट हाफ ऑफ द सीजन उनका अच्छा रहता है, तो आई एक्सपेक्ट हिम टू डू वेल, बिकॉज बहुत डिपेंड करेगा उन पे कि आगे आंड्रे रसेल को फिर हम लोग कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं बीच में टू गेट अस दैट बिग स्कोर. ऑल्सो आई हैव सो मेनी प्लेयर्स. वरुण चक्रवर्ती समवन आई एम इंटरेस्टेड टू लुक. बीच में उन्हें आई थिंक चांस मिल सकता है, बिकॉज स्पिनिंग पिचेस है, तो आई थिंक वरुण चक्रवर्ती को बीच में कहीं ना कहीं मौका मिल सकता है. तो उनकी मिस्ट्री स्पिन को मैं देखना चाहूंगा कैसा कर सकता है.
As Rohan rightly mentioned Nitish Rana, which none of us did earlier. Nitish can bowl as well, and the
Yeah.
match he got both Kohli and De
Kohli
Villiers
and De
was
Villiers,
something that
exactly.
turned the match on its head. So yes,
Correct.
Nitish Rana again is a gem of a player for KKR. Good
Interesting
one,
to
Rohan.
see. Now, Ron, I'm gonna ask you if I have to talk about KKR, and I'm gonna talk about, if I have to look at them and see, what, this is the strength of KKR, and this is what separates them from the other team. What is the strength if I'm talking about, if you're looking at KKR and that they are completely different and from the others?
I think जो डिस्ट्रक्शन है इस टीम के अंदर, I think that is their strength and that is their weakness. So I think it's both, because अगर आपके नारायण, डीके, रसल, मॉर्गन सब चल जाते हैं तो 200 even in UAE pitches like is not difficult for them. But again usually ही नहीं चलते हैं तो फिर प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है हम लोगों को. But I think इस टीम से ज़्यादा खतरनाक अब मिडिल ऑर्डर भी मुझे बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है इनका, एंड ओपनिंग भी बढ़िया लग रही है, तो इस टीम से ज़्यादा खतरनाक बैटिंग लाइनअप मुझे नहीं लगता किसी और टीम के पास है. बाकी टीम के फैंस को जो बोलना है बोलने दो, बट आई थिंक इस टीम का जो बैटिंग ऑर्डर है इट्स डिस्ट्रक्टिव, एक्सप्लोसिव, एग्रेसिव एंड माइंड ब्लोइंग.
Brilliant.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है.
Atul, same thought of yours, or do you have any other thoughts on this?
मेरे को ये लगता है कि जो मतलब bowling options है ना KKR के पास, that might play the trick for them this time around.
Okay.
See, having Pat Cummins, and if not Pat Cummins, they have Loki Ferguson to like build a team around him. उसके अलावा जो इंडियन पेसर्स हैं, they can do wonders. क्रिस ग्रीन का ऑप्शन इनके पास, नीतीश राणा कैन बोल, कुलदीप है ही है. तो आई थिंक उनका स्ट्रेंथ तो बॉलिंग मेनली बॉलर रहेंगे. एंड आंद्रे रसल एनीवे, उसका तो मेंशन करना जरूरी नहीं है स्ट्रेंथ में. वो आएगा 30 बॉल में 100 रन बनाएगा, चला जाएगा बढ़िया बैटिंग करके. एंड वीकनेस अगेन एज रोहन मेंशन, वीकनेस जो उनका सबसे बड़ा रहा है, जो उनका बैटिंग कोलैप्स है. अगर टॉप ऑर्डर नहीं चलता और बैटिंग कोलैप्स होता है तो इन द मिडिल ऑर्डर उनके साथ यही इशू रहा है कि there's no one to save them at that point of time. You can't always rely on Andre Russell to come and score 80 runs in 30 balls. That's not going to happen each and every time. So again, जो उनका weakness है, if the top order doesn't perform, तो they get into trouble. So hopefully they work on that. और हम लोग ऐसे ही celebrate कर रहे हो जैसे रोहन बात कर रहा है एकदम first class.
Interesting. Very well said. Now, just to close it, I have an interesting trivia for you guys, because you're ardent, Kolkata Knight Rider fans. And I can see the look on Rohan's face already, but I think this will be something that you all might remember. Now, the trivia is with regards to the 2012 IPL.
Manish, I'm really sorry to interrupt you, but Rohan, he's here to embarrass us both. ठीक है, इसने हमें नहीं छोड़ना है, ठीक है. ये क्वेश्चन ऐसे ढूंढ के लाया होगा कि he will be talking about शोएब अख्तर and मोहम्मद आसिफ only. वो पहले के टाइम के, हमको कुछ नहीं याद होगा.
Trust me, it's a very easy one. Rohan, 2012 IPL final, I mentioned Manvinder Bisla and Jack Callis had a brilliant partnership. My question to you is, who hit the winning runs for Kolkata Knight Riders in that final?
अच्छा, okay, good question. Okay. I'll go for Manish Pandey.
Manish Pandey. Now, same question goes for, and I'm talking about the 2012 final. Repeat once again. Atul, the question goes to you. Who hit
Manoj
the winning-
Tiwari. Manoj Tiwari.
Manoj Tiwari is the correct answer. And Manish Pandey, I don't think was there in the team.
I guess it was a semi-sweep type of a shot that went to
It was
square leg
pull
for a
shot that
boundary.
went to a square leg. A slow
उस
ball,
time
which
तक-
was a.
उस टाइम तक केकेआर को सपोर्ट करना चालू नहीं किया था.
I knew that was coming.
मैं दिनेश कार्तिक भक्त हूँ भाई मैं, तो उस टाइम तो मैं मुंबई को कर रहा हूँ. आई थिंक मुंबई
This should be the highlight of this video. Dinesh Karthik Bhakt. Dinesh Karthik should see this video.
I think we should all tag Dinesh Karthik as well, just to make sure that he's seen this. But
DK 00019. We are ready for it.
already. But brilliant talking to you guys. I hope KKR have a good season and at least they make it to the playoffs. And it was brilliant.
Not at least to the playoffs, please. They win the title. Please come on, Manish.
यार बाकी लोग भी तो आए खेलने के लिए, उनको मौका नहीं मिलेगा क्या? सिर्फ KKR थोड़ी खेल रही है.
KKR winning this title this time.
आरसीबी को इतने टाइम से मौका दिया ना, उन्होंने किया कुछ नहीं किया ना, केकेआर को करने दो, let it be.
RCB discussion is a totally different discussion that will take an hour to go around. Let's not go into that. इस साल कप नाम दे. Let's not even get into it. But thanks a lot, guys. That was a wonderful discussion, and that's all for the Kolkata Knight Riders. Thank you very much.
Thank you for having us.
Yep. Recording.